guys, this is a disc brake conversion on a car called right-hand drive Bugeye. This is what I wanted to show you in this video. This is a blown shock. Now it does damp when you go up, but you'll notice that in the transition, you have this dead spot. And what that translates to is no damping when you're going down the road and the car is doing that. If you hit something big enough, you get damping, but it's that transitional dead spot that is really not acceptable if you want a nice riding car. And so we will change that shock as well. The rack boots are perished. These are common problems when you're working on the front ends of these cars, and that's what we're changing this week here on this car at Bugeye Guys.